Hello dear student, today we start the new chapter. The name of our new chapter name is chapter number 12 is Can We Share? Now dear student, this chapter has two topics is very important about your multiplication and division. Hope so everyone student get understood the multiplication table. Okay, it means that multiplication by the one digit number and the two digit number. It means that we have to find out the multiplication fact and the division fact also. Now regarding the division, now by using the long division method, we have to find out the quotient, remainder, divisor and the dividend. These all four things we have to obtain by using the long division method. There are so many example is in around of you is are multiplication and division also. Even though in your words problem is are also based on your multiplication and the division also. So dear students, today we will start the some introductory introduction part of your can we share part. This part is actually is based on the only some examples are given to you using the multiplication and the division. But for your better understanding, now we are to sharing with the one video in front of you. So hope all the students. So please see the OB. So please video carefully. See the video carefully.
Priya, remember how we studied multiplication earlier? Now we will study the opposite of multiplication, division. Division is the opposite of multiplication? So you mean division is subtracting groups a number of times? Yes, exactly, Priya. That's a pretty good guess. Let's see this example. How many balls do we have here? Let's count them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 balls here. Let's put them in 4 groups. So I take one ball and place it here. I'll take another one and place it this side. And I'll take the third here and put it over here. And the fourth ball, I'll put one over here. So now I take another ball from the top and place it in the first group. Now I'm going to take this one to the second group. And I'll take another one here into the third group. And this one over here, the last one, goes into the fourth group. So we have divided these 8 balls into 4 equal groups, right? So how many balls are there now in each group? We have 2 balls in each group. So 8 balls were divided into 4 groups, and each group now has 2 balls. So if we write this as a problem, it would be 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Let's try one more. Let's say you had 18 candies and you had to divide those candies and give them to 3 friends because you love sharing because that shows that you care. So how many candies would each friend get? So here you're dividing 18 by 3 because you have 3 friends and you want 3 different groups. So after dividing, we see that each group has 6 candies. So the problem here can be written as 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So the 3 friends of yours would get 6 candies each. So let's try doing something different. Let's show division on the number line. Let's do the problem 8 divided by 4. Since division is repeated subtraction, starting from 8, we will be jumping 4 steps back down the number line till we reach 0. Let's begin. So that's one jump. Here's the second jump. So our answer for 8 divided by 4 equals 2 because we jumped back 2 times. Now let's show the problem 18 divided by 3 on the number line. So when we were dividing these candies before, we were subtracting 3 candies each time. Starting from the number 18, let's jump back 3 numbers each time until we reach 0. So are you ready? Let's go. So this is the first jump, second jump, third jump, fourth jump, fifth jump, and sixth jump. So there's 6 jumps. So 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Now let's try a tricky one over here. Here are 16 footprints. How many kids do you think we have over here? Now we know that a pair belongs to one child. So we can divide 16 by 2, which is 8. Or we can also do it another way. Remember, division is the opposite of multiplication? So for example, if 16 divided by 2 equals 8, then 8 times 2 equals 16. That's right. Very interesting, isn't it? So we could have solved the same problem by mental multiplication. So for example, how many 2's would give you the number 16? 2 times 8 would give you 16. Let's try one more. Let's say you have 35 crayons to distribute among your 5 friends. So how many crayons would each get? That's 5 times blank equals 35. Well, if the answer that you got was 7, you were right. So when you divide 35 by 5, which is 5 friends, you get 7. You want to cross-check that? All right, let's try it on the number line. So here's the number line. So from 35, we'll jump back 5 numbers each time up to 0. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. We took 7 jumps. So 35 divided by 5 equals 7. Wow, math sure is a lot of fun, isn't it? If you keep on practicing.
So dear student, this all the example is are based on the multiplication and division. It's a very so simple example because it's an introduction part of your can we share, and can we share is a two topic is very important regarding the multiplication and the division. So in the next obvious video, now we are to sharing with the next example. Is a very important example regarding find out the multiplication and the division fact. It means that the multiplication is are given to you, then you have to find out the two division fact, and the division is are given to you, then you have to find out the two multiplication fact. And this so many examples, you have to find the divisor, quotient and remainder, this by using the long division method. And the next obvious video we will start the next new topic, and have a nice day. Hope so everyone student understood the concept of the multiplication and division. And the next topic we will start from the next obvious video, and have a nice day.